Okay, so do you want to hear my story? All right, this is incredibly exciting story. Hi, Sam here. So, when I get a package, because of the whole you know what, I generally put it on top of this cabinet, leave it for a few days so anything icky can go. I also have cats. Cats like pushing things off things. So, the cat pushed something off yesterday and I went, ugh. So I went round the back of this cabinet and I found this. I actually found this. I'd got it. I'd opened it. I'd gone, ooh, I'll do that properly later. And I put it down and it got kicked down the back of the cabinet, which is like, I lost an entire Paletteful pack. This is the February one, apparently. How? But that's not all. I have been looking, right, I saw Casey Golden use these microns that were size 10 and size 12. I commented on it. Where are these? I googled. I looked everywhere for these size 10, size 12 microns. I could not find anything anywhere. Are you guessing what's in the box? I could not find any information on these blinking thick things anywhere. Literally, I looked several times and I was like, oh, I must have misheard. She must have been something else. Maybe it's an American thing. I don't know. But... oh, look at the clamp holding my phone. Ooh, look. They're in this box that's trying to eat my hand. They are in this box. These are the 100th anniversary special ones with the new size 10 and size 12. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that just like, you know, knock your socks right off your feet amazing? Okay, we're in a pandemic. This is about as exciting as it's got for me all year. But I got them. And they were sitting there. This is only the February's box. It's like, what is it, March 13th. Couldn't have been there that long. But I don't even remember getting it. Anyway, let's have a look what else is in this box, shall we? So, yes, the February box. We've got our entire set of very groovy black microns. They all repackaged and it's all shiny. I'm looking forward to that. We also have... oh, it's Hello Alice. I watch her. I know her. It's like, oh, wow. Look. She's done, I assume she's done this picture. And it's a sketchbook. It's not very thick paper. I'll have a look at how big the paper is. It's £70 premium recycled paper and is sewn with library quality binding. $11.99 apparently. So we've got, this is really cute. I really like this. We'll have to see how much bleed it does because we also got these. These are Tombos. These are, I used to use these in like my book. Yes, I have a bullet journal. Okay, I bullet journal. I'm very forgetful and not very organised, so it's helpful to do. But I used to use these. Now I use the dot things. Well, those dot things, those zig dot things, because they're cute. But these are really good. They do bleed through. So we'll have to see. I assume it says in there that everyone got the green, so I assume everyone got the same colours. But we got 173, 195 and 277. And that is our lot for February. That is enough for me. These are moderately expensive, so I'm happy enough. How much are they? They're $35.95 apparently, and they make the perfect gift for any pen collector. So there you go. Our prompts, they generally have like a prompt a week. So 4 prompts. I try and put them all together because why not make things harder on myself right now? I wear glasses. Okay, fine. I haven't got my contact lenses back. I wear glasses. Come at me. I look awful in glasses, but there you go. And I broke my glasses, so now I have my old glasses and I can't read anything. But... it is. Did you join for this content? I don't know. Subscribe now. So we got Cabin Fury, Leaf and Eye. They're interesting ones. I want to put them together. But first off, I want to try these. I just want to try these. Okay, can I just take a moment to do this? That's stationary ASMR. Oh, I'm missing one. You'll be lonely. Come here. Right, okay. I've rubbed my pens enough. I can get on with it. What to start with? I feel like I should start with these and tease myself with these. So let's start with these. I don't think they blend very well. They're water-based. And water-based, so I do not get on well with them. Just they eat the paper up, and I'm pretty sure they're going to eat this paper right up. But you have a itty-bitty little liner, bullet tip, and little brush tip, which is generally what I use. But let's have a go. This is 173. Beautiful names, I know. That is such a pretty springtime green. Next, it's 195. I can see what they were, going for. It is February, this one anyway, coming into, no idea what that is. I think I was thinking do a word, and then I thought do a flower, and I ended up with kind of a demented toadstool look. I don't know. These are the eyes, and they're sad. That's the mouth. And that's the little fella. Look. There we go. I'll see if they blend at all in a bit, but probably not. But 277. Oh God, they do them tight in Tombow. They do. This is a bit less. These two are very natural greens. I don't think this is quite as natural a green. If you think there's a tree. That's a tree. And some grass. This is your content, people. This is your content. Right, let's see if we can merge them together. Or blend them together. By the way, it's really windy. And I'm in my office because I'm like a professional adult and everything. And my God, it's got a flat roof. It is loud out there. I don't know if you can hear that. But it is loud. And I'm worried something is eventually going to fall on my head. But, professional. Keep going, don't we? Oh, actually... not mad. Again, you see the paper. I dread to turn the page. Okay. That is interesting. You can see a bit because it's water. So it's water on paper. So, of course, it's not too happy with it. But look. That is impressive. Okay. That's impressive. Let's see if we can get this one going as well. These are quite different greens. But, oops. Not bad. Not bad. Don't want to do that too much because, yeah, it's all bobbling and stuff because it's moist. But are we ready for this? So we've got the normal ones, as far as I know, go up to 8. You got 0, 0. Oh, actually, there's no oh, blimey. The smallest one I've got is this, even in camera. Let's go zoop so you can concentrate on the wonder. Let's turn my light on as well. I was so excited to open this box, I forgot my light. Isn't that terrible? Are you still there? Hi. Comment down below. Hi. Right, so 003. I don't think I've got a 003. I've got 005. That's the smallest one I've got. So is this new, or is this something I've just never got my hands on before? All right, I'm getting happier with every turn of this pen. We've got a 1, 01, 02, 03, 05, 05, 08. So that's what I have. I'm pretty sure I've not got this. And then we've got 010, 012. These are the exciting ones. And also a micro pin. I've got one of these, or PN. They just have a little bullet nib. I think they're called bullet nibs. So let's have a go. Oh, I'm weirdly nervous. Oh, look at this little fella. Look at this little fella. He's so tiny. He's so tiny. Oh, look at him. What would you do with him? He'd have to be the most delicate hairs on a puppy's head. Look at that. Now, this is what I would say is thin. And it is. But you can see the difference. You can. Hopefully you can. I can. A little bit. Okay, moment of truth. So my eyes aren't the greatest, and I'm no expert, but I can't see that much difference. Definitely between this one and this one, or this one and this one. Definitely between these two. These, And where's 4? Why is there no 4? I like 4. I want a 4, please. Right, okay, are we ready for this 10? Oh, look at him. Hey, check him out. Right, okay, I'm going for... Ooh, hello. That's the 10. I mean, you could do... Colouring in or filling in with these things is not advisable. Why would you do it? You'd get a black pen, wouldn't you, or a black marker. But you could get a bit of shading done with this guy. Just basic cross-hatching brings on a whole new level. I am happy. Let's see, there's much difference between this and the 12s. This goes up 2. Blimey, look at him. That's a nib. Right, so 12. Blimey. You can see the difference, I think. Whether you'd be reaching for the 10 or the 12, if you wanted a thick line, you'd go for the 12, wouldn't you? But there we go, that's what we got. And our words are, I'm going to be going for the 12. Right, so we've got cabin, got terrible handwriting, just to let you know. I know, I've made my peace with it. No, I haven't. Is that fury or furry? Is that fury? That's furry, Sam, that's not fury. Oh dear. I can neither see nor read, apparently. Leaf and I'd rather fury, but that's furry. Furry. Okay, fine. So, what are we going to do? We've got green and black, basically. So, leaf is a good one. We can have a green eye. We can have green fur. And put it in a woodland cabin. Okay. We can do this. What are we going to do? So this is what I did. I found these tombos. I've got these tombos. I've got a few of them, and I use them in my bullet journal sometimes. They do go through the paper a little bit, but they're quite good. But they don't blend, and if you go over the top of them again, then you see a line kind of thing. They blend a little. Maybe in more experienced hands they blend better, but so I was kind of stuck with that. So I decided to go a bit more floppy. Is that the right word? I don't know. A bit more loose with my art. So basically we've got this little fella. He has eyes. There you go. We've got eyes. He's got a leaf on his back. That's leaf. God, what were the other ones? Cabin and furry. He's furry, and there's a cabin over there. This is what I came up with. But I wanted to use these pens, so I tried to do lots of different thickness of lines and cross hatching and all of that to really use these pens. I love them. They're like my children now. I'm so glad I got them, and it was just weird that they were in this pack. This is actually, I'm recording this voiceover quite a little while after I've I don't know what's happened, but because I've got another channel and I've just gone mad on Animal Crossing, and that's I've been paying attention to that, and I've done these other things, but I haven't got around to editing them, to doing them, and oh dear, I need to be more in my efforts, absolutely. But I've got there in the end. I've actually did this about a good month ago. So the pens, they are now in my drawer, and I'm enjoying them immensely. They're microns, other than the special colour because it's the anniversary. They are still microns. We just got these 2 thicker ones, which I love. I think more, not novelty, but because I wanted them so much, so I'm using them. But they're very good for filling in large gaps, for obviously doing thicker lines and things like that. That's the trouble with, you can't fill in big areas with a micron, but you kind of can more with these. There's the number 12, I think, just going around it, and I do really love it. But back to this. So yes, I'm trying to do kind of, I don't know, it's not illustrative. It's a bit more free, as I say. The cabin is a bit skewed in, the perspective's a little off. I did that on purpose. I did it on purpose, just a bit more ooh kind of look, you know, no kind of stretchy ooh kind of thing. That's what I aimed for anyway. And we do have these 3 different colours of green, different tones of green. So we do have a nice little. Oh, so there's an ice cream man here. Can you hear that? He just turns up, and he'll play the whole thing. He'll just play the whole thing all the way through. Yes, give me a cornetto. Absolutely, I know. Could you stop? Could you stop? And he stopped. He'll sit out there for ages. Anyway, yes, so we got these 3 different greens. They do complement each other, and there is a difference, but still only green. So I tried to spread the green out, still have the black and white as well, and I wanted to go for this more not going up to the lines look. I don't know what, messy? I'm going with the word messy. I'm sure there's a better word for it. I'm using messy. So I use the lightest one for the main tree, like the one closest to us, and then the middle one for the shading, and then I use the middle one for the main colour of the trees in the background, and the darkest one for the shading. That's what I ended up going with. I kind of wanted this looser look, just because you can't use these Tombos, or maybe on thicker paper, but it did start eating up the paper a little bit. So if you went too far and did too much, and you've got to go over it to get it not looking streaky, you've got to go over it a few times. And once I'm doing this, yeah, the paper is kind of being picked up a bit, but it's fine. I wouldn't personally say these were art supplies. I'd say they were sort of journaling supplies, crafting supplies. They're not something I would reach for to do this kind of thing. But obviously this is what I've got, so I did. So I kind of tried to use the streakiness, because they are streaky. I'm sure in a better hand they go better, but there you go. And I didn't want to colour in the whole thing, as I said. See that streakiness, that's what happens. So I try and use it to make it look more like a leaf, like I meant it to be streaky. That's what I was going for. But yeah, I just wanted a flash of green here and there, just leading up a little bit on there. This is the darkest one. It's got a different kind of green now I'm looking at it. Using the streaks again to try and give it the look of a roof. That's what I was aiming for. But anyway, that is what I did. I hope you like it. I hope it's okay. Please like and subscribe. It would be absolutely awesome of you if you've made it this far. I like this. I like my little green leafy guy. I'll have to call him something. Derek. There you go. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Bye.